Hi, Sergio here. Well, now that you have your account created, let's create a classroom. Come here into Classrooms, and here in Create a Classroom, you have the option of syncing your Google Classroom Clever or using the join link here. This is what I'm going to do now. So give it a name, the language that you're going to be teaching, and your students' native languages. Then give it a color so that it's more organized or better, like easier to see later on. Once you create it, you can invite your students to the classroom using this copy join link. You can click here, the code, or the share button to copy the link. Send this to your students and your students will be populated here. Let me show you with a classroom that I already have. So in here, I have one student. As you can see, this student has already received my invitation and has already submitted some assessments. And from this one, for example, I can show you that there are many students here. So once you are satisfied with their students and everyone is there and everyone's ready to go, let's create an activity.